Every day, every place, all that we ask for is your smile for a while. To see your face once more, singing now. I can hear your voice calling. Oh, I can hear your voice saying.
I had association with late Sri Astimalji Surana from the year 1990. It is almost 3 decades of family bondage. He was D1 brother of my wife, late Srimati Chandrabai. In Rajasthani language we call Dharam Bhai. Our family bondage was of very high spirit.
और तो और इतना कम बोलते, जब मैंने उनको, वो मेरे को पहले बार देखने को आए थे, उन्होंने इवन मेरा नाम तक नहीं पूछा था, बस चेहरा देख के ओके कर दिया था। और ना मैंने उनको नज़र उठा के देखा भी था कि उनकी ज़बान बहुत कम बोलती थी, उनका जीवन बहुत ज़्यादा बोलता था।
So dad would give us a lot of freedom to operate. The kind of freedom that I have enjoyed is, with no limitations. More than anything else, what he gave me the most was freedom to operate the way I want to operate. He allowed me to be myself.
When I think of my dad, it somehow gives a feel of as if I was living with Shiva, someone who would prefer to take the poison himself and ensure there's peace around. The kind of respect, the admiration, the love that he had towards his father and mother was a great example for us.
He is a complete balanced man. कुछ भी काम करते थे बहुत जोश से, बहुत पैशन से करते थे. In fact, I would say a relationship of father-in-law, son-in-law नहीं था, एक गुरु शिष्य जैसे था.
My dad lived a big life, but not a long life. I've lost my magical wand. He fulfilled all my wishes. Now it's my duty to fulfill all his wishes and follow his path.
Late Sri Astimalji achieved in life with hard work, with walking on new paths. We all remember him today for his philanthropy, business acumen and as an educationist.
और जब भी वो जिस फील्ड में भी पैर रखे तो उन्होंने वो चैम्पियन ही रहे. जैसे पढ़ाई के लिए स्कूल के अंदर स्पोर्ट्स में चैम्पियन थे.
He was very secular in his thoughts. He was a very quick decision maker. He could identify opportunities really quickly. He's earned more out of his partnerships rather than where he's been a sole proprietor.
He wanted to ensure that every minute, every second of his was excellently utilized. He was very particular about punctuality. Before he would go into any meeting or before he steps into anything, he would ensure he has done his homework or his background check or due diligence well in advance.
I have learned a lot from him, especially on those days when गुरु की सेवा करते थे. गुरु से तो सीखते ही थे, but गुरु से सीखने के बाद जो आचरण वो लेके आते थे उनके लाइफ में, वो देख के हम लोगों को भी बहुत सीखने को मिलता था. मी, माई किड्स, वाइफ वंदना, सब जने बहुत इंस्पायर हुए हैं उनसे.
Your words ever true, even if they were just a few. Your arms ever wide, we could always find a refuge. Singing now,
Late Sri Hastimalji had very little formal education, but he had enormous amount of informal education. Though his primary business was textile, he had liking of spreading knowledge. He, in short span of time, established 4 educational institutions with few like-minded people. All the educational institutions established by him are doing extremely well with Vikas, his second son, on the helm of affairs.
बच्चों को भी ऐसा पाठ पढ़ाते थे कि न्याय, नेक, नीति पहले होना, और झूठ अगर उनके सामने कोई बोल दे तो वो सहन नहीं कर पाते थे। झूठ से वो बहुत, दूसरे भी कोई बोले तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो खुद तो बोलने का सवाल ही नहीं है।
My father understood that his father, that is my grandfather, Shri Chainmal Surana, would be happy if his son could do women's education, and that could be the best dedication to him. Because my grandfather did not have sisters, he had that special soft corner attachment towards the women in the family. And when I say women in the family, not only his daughters, his daughter-in-laws and his granddaughters, they always had a special place in the family. So all these things ensured that my father was able to understand that he has that. That's why Dad started with the women's colleges.
All the 3 colleges that he founded, they were on the outskirts of, either they were semi-rural or rural. So I would say one philosophy of it which he drove was that, girls have to be educated. If you educate a girl, then you are educating the entire family.
May his soul rest in peace and reach new heights in eternal words.
उनके आखिरी शब्द थे, गुरु भगवंतों की सेवा में कमी मत रखना और तुम प्रेम से रहना। और तीसरी बात थी कि तुम धर्म ध्यान में कमी मत करना कभी भी।
Finance was never a constraint for him for business that he wanted to do. He was a daredevil when it demanded risk-taking capabilities. He would start from that. We came with nothing. What is there that we can lose? Exactly like his father, like my grandfather.
My mama was his mantri. Any major decision, he would have discussed or taken an opinion from her. He ensured that mama gets the appropriate respect and the position in the family. He lived every moment, every stage, every phase of his life to the maximum. He has seen everything. He was an extraordinary sports person during his school times, and when he did business, he was working almost, as far as I remember, 14-16 hours per day. When he got into the spiritual side, he was totally into it. So there is nothing as half-hearted measures with him. What if he has decided something, then it is going to be wholehearted, and he'll do it to the maximum, to the hilt.
Of course, we miss him, and being a first year death anniversary, we miss him physically. But I personally feel if we lead a life of what he has told, I think that is the biggest tribute that we can give to him.
मेरा विवेक जागृत करे, जैसे उन्होंने संतारा का पचकान किया, वैसे मैं भी संतारा पचकूं, ऐसा विवेक मेरा जागृत करे। बस उनसे मेरी यही एक याचना है, वो जहाँ कहीं भी रहे, जिन्हें से प्रभु के सानिध्य को प्राप्त करें। बस यही मेरी इच्छा है, अंतिम इच्छा है, उनके लिए यही मेरी सद्भावना है। जय जी।
Love you, Pa. Miss you, Pa. Jai Jineन्द्र.
You could call out to me, you could call out